My name is Maddie Thompson, and I'm the CEO of Madluvv and founder of the Madluvv Brow Academy. Microblading is an ultra-lucrative career in an industry that has not even begun to reach its peak. The Madluvv Academy has trained over 300 students and have produced some of the most elite and outstanding microblading artists in the world. I have had a very successful career in microblading and have designed this training program from the ground up to produce successful and confident microblading artists. Our foundation training is designed to take a person with zero outside knowledge of the beauty industry or brows and teach them everything they need to know, from creating the perfect brow to getting clientele and marketing and to creating a successful business. I've curated the most in-depth training manual, which is amazing for artists to reference back to, and designed deluxe training kits filled with everything an elite microblading artist would need. I have personally created, designed, and used these products for every single brow transformation that I do. The Madluvv Academy prides ourselves on our immense focus on our student success. We believe in one-on-one attention, a ton of hands-on work, and after-training support with our trainers, an amazing network of Madluvv students. Financial success, happiness, the freedom of your own schedule, and passion for your career? What are you waiting for?